dissolve. And you're gonna want to pour glue. So we are gonna be pouring the glue of it. Well, a little bit.
Little bit.
All of it?
Little bit. Little bit. No, not that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't use it anyway. I just use it for projects, like for school. Do you have the water
You're
already?
gonna mix it.
What is in there?
Water. Well, you put water on it. You don't have cream?
That's
No, like,
nice.
I'm sorry, it's because they're plain zombies. So you're
Minecraft
gonna want to put some borax and water. Your solution. Okay, you're gonna want to keep mixing it.
Slimy? Slimy?
So we have another phone. So he's recording it.
You see on the screen.
So you could put food coloring. It's optional. I'm not gonna put food coloring because I don't have it here. I have food coloring at home. A little bit. But I only have blue and green because the other ones are used, and I don't know where they are.
I'm always scared to sit here.
Huh?
I'm always scared to sit here.
Why?
Because then the cockroaches come out. The big ones.
Wait.
Yeah.
Nana.
A lot
You're
of
not
them
seeing
come out.
this.
A lot of them come out. The slime ready?
Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more. Yeah, but we have to put never mind. We don't have to put it. So we are gonna teach it.
The slime ready?
Nah, I just want to put a little bit
Blue water.
more water. This is borax and water, so like don't put water on your glue and pretend it's and you're gonna pretend it's not pretend, I mean imagine that it's water and glue. Okay,
That looks slime.
it is.
Sticky slime.
Yeah. So it's gonna be kind of sticky, so you're gonna wanna like knead it. And stop it and put I'll tell you to put 10 left.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Like pause it?
Yeah. No. Put the thing. No, you don't end it. You didn't even pause it. Only the
I ended
thing.
it.
Pause it?
Flash or no flash?
No flash.
Your head looks fucking big, right?
And okay.
Why putting right?
I start?
Yeah. Oops.
I started since when?
Okay, it's kind of sticky, so yeah. Well, they can't hear me, so.
Jeez, blind slime.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Okay.
Explain to me.
There? Can I play with him?
Yeah, there. Put what's it called? Normal.
I don't know how to do this. Let me see.
No, it's not ready.
I want to try to play.
Play with my controller. Still record?
Okay, so we're back, and it kind of got sticky, so we put a little bit more borax. It got really sticky. It's like all over me.
You know it's a new one.
Huh?
It's a new one.
I know. No, I have to put it all together.
Oh, you gonna edit?
Yeah.
How?
I go to video and show.
You need slime already?
Hmm?
Slime? Yes.
Yeah. 16. So,
Penny bottle.
it's still, you're like, it was,
I didn't throw his hair.
huh?
It's dirty now.
I enjoy
yeah.
how you do it.
What?
You like, and it came up.
Just
Did you put it right there?
This is, no, there's hairs.
It's dirty
Yes. Oh,
for my dog.
I like that.
Okay, let me just mix it with my hand.
Oh, Perla, that's not how people do slime.
The whole thing. Oh,
But,
it's the whole thing.
Let me see it.
no, wait. It's still kind of sticky.
It's dirty.
It's like a charger to your phone. It gets what's that? Comfortable with me.
Okay, let me see it then.
Hold up.
The hell is
I'll make sure
this?
with my hands right now.
I know.
What is this?
Hold up. You can put barks in your hands.
Oh.
Se creída.
You wanna put a little bit more or no?
No.
Cause do you want me to make you some?
No. I don't want to. I don't want to. It's been 6 minutes. What? I put the light on.
Oh, this is way
So-
too sticky.
I put the light on.
So this is how you do slime. You could get the Japan one, the glue.
Blue. Why
Perla,
blue?
you
You
need
can
more.
put water.
You need more.
What? No.
You do way too sticky.
Let me see.
I don't know what it's.
Oh yeah, it is.
Is this school projects and craft?
Like you can.
That is
still put the
craft.
blue.
I say slime right here.
It is?
No.
It does? No. This is.
I
a
know. I
video
was
for
just kidding.
School projects and craft.
Am I gonna play or no?
Use my controller. The
Get the
green-
controller, Nana.
The green.
Get the green one.
I said right now.
Oh my gosh.
Why
Okay,
is
so
it-
you're gonna wanna go like this, and it looks like an egg from what's it called? From the Angry Birds. As you can see, it looks like an egg, and then you're gonna wanna like knead it.
Put more
It's like
borax on it?
yeah, it's like a cake. So like you're gonna wanna pat it, and then like
Oh my god.
poke it, and then wait.
Do I end the video?
Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. As you can see, it's stretchy. We should have put shaving cream, but nah, because then we're gonna waste it. Here, Nana.
What's it cream? Do I end the video?
Oh damn.
Do I end the video?
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. This video, I mean.
It's mine.
I like this channel.
Subscribe to this channel and
Okay.
like this video.
I'm gonna go, bye.
Bye. Yeah, yeah.
So I can put on